Okay, guys, competency boards are next week. Some of you start on Wednesday. Some of you or it's Thursday and Friday. So make sure you check the schedule. There still have been a few changes. Junior high, yours changed dramatically. So make sure you check. I'll have it updated on the walls and on the website this morning. So you can do that. But I wanted to do this in case you needed to work on something over the weekend. So let's talk about how competency review boards should go. So you'll go to, usually it's going to be the room of the advisor who's listed first. Like in my case, that's not true because I'm not going to make you come all the way down here. You'll go to that room. Everybody will be in the gym, just like last year. You need to show up for your time 10 minutes before. So you're standing out there and waiting. We had to send people to go get people last year. Do not make us do that because it slows everything down. Be there 10 minutes early, standing outside the door, ready to go. You should walk in, hand your advisors a copy of the actual contract with the signatures on it. If you don't have that, you need to go find that because that is how it has to have that advisor signature on there. Otherwise, I don't know that Mrs. Bruna said this was okay when I'm looking at yours. Or Janelle, Mrs. Peterson, does not know that the one for media arts was okay unless she sees my signature there. So make sure you have that one. If you don't, you need to run around like a chicken with your head cut off and get that fixed and found. Okay? So get that figured out. So you take this competency contract in, you hand it to your advisors, then you sit down and you very quickly, 30 seconds or less, tell them what your project was about. Then you go through competency one by one, and they should be in the same order that they are on in your contract. And if it's on paper, that's fine. You don't even have to have this written down, but I know a lot of you have your competency on a Google slide, which is fine. And then on the next slide, you show your proof, which is fine. Or you can just say, I'm doing competency number 1, point to it on the paper on the table. And then you say, here's my proof. And you lay it out in front of us, and it's photographs or it's a vocabulary list or it's whatever it is. Okay. So, but have them organized and in order because you have 10 minutes to get this done, and advisors cut them off at the 10-minute mark if you have to, because we have to keep going so you can get through everybody. So if you did this and you did this well, you should easily be able to get through it in 10 minutes and just show what you've got. Okay. So that's how it's going to work. So get there 10 minutes early, have this piece of paper with you, give it to your advisors. Even better if you have 2 copies. Okay. It does not have to be the original. It can be a copy, but it has to be the one that has the signatures and the teacher's remarks that they wrote on there. Okay. Has to be that one. So hand that to them and then sit down and start showing them your stuff. Okay. Good luck this weekend getting it all together. It is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday next week. Make sure you check the schedule. If your schedule is not right or you're not going to be here, you have to let me know as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.